Exercise 1.3, question 6 to question 10. In the previous video, I have solved sums from question 1 to 5. You can go through that. Question number 6. A function is defined by fx is equal to 2x minus 3. Find f0 plus f1 upon 2. So this expression we have to find. The function is fx is equal to 2x minus 3. So let us first find out f at 0 and f at 1. Substitute x as 0 in this and you will get f0 is equal to 2 into 0 minus 3. So this is 0 minus 3 is equal to minus 3. F at 1, substitute x as 1 and write down f1 is equal to 2 into 1 minus 3, that is minus 1. Substitute these values in this expression. f0 is minus 3, f1 is minus 1, minus 3 minus 1 upon 2. This is equal to minus 4 upon 2, that is equal to minus 2 answer. Question 2, find x such that fx is equal to 0. Let us write down fx as 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So here 2x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 3 upon 2. Question 3, find x such that fx is equal to x. So let us write down the values of fx as x. 2x minus 3 is equal to x. Bring x on the left side, you get 2x minus x is equal to 3, that is x is equal to 3. Find x such that fx is equal to f1 minus x. So write down fx and then f at 1 minus x means this value you should substitute in place of x. So 2 into 1 minus x minus 3. Now open the bracket and simplify. This minus 3 will cancel, you will get 2x is equal to 2 minus 2x. So bring this on the left side, you get 4x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 2 upon 4, that is equal to 1. An open box is to be made from a square piece of material 24 cm on a side by cutting equal squares from the corners and turning up the sides as shown. Express the volume of the box as a function of x. So this is a square piece of cardboard or any other material and they are cutting out x from the corners. X length squares, square piece from the corners like this. The length is x and turning up this leftover flap. When you turn it up all four sides, it will make a box. They are asking us to find the volume of that box. Okay, so here this is the length of the cardboard material. X is cut off from this side, x is cut off from this side. So what is this length? That will be the length of the resultant box. The box that we are making, this will be the length. It will be 24 minus 2x. Okay. Now similarly for the breadth, we want this length. That will be also 24 minus 2x. This portion will cut it off. And the height of this box will be this length, that is x. So we got the length, breadth and the height. Let's write down the formula for volume. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. So 24 minus 2x into 24 minus 2x into x. So 24 minus 2x the whole square into x. Now let us do this whole square. We know that a minus b the whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So apply that formula, find out the square like this. Okay. Now again open the bracket, you will get this. 4x cubed minus 96x squared plus 576x. Now that is our answer. So the volume we are going to write as a function of x in this way. Simply Vx is equal to 4x cubed minus 96x squared plus 576x. Question 8. A function f is defined by fx is equal to 3 minus 2x. Find x such that fx square is equal to fx the whole square. So let us find out fx square. Write down function fx 3 minus 2x. So f at x square means we have to substitute x as x square. So 3 minus 2 x square. Okay. Now here next is fx the whole square, that is the RHS. So let's write down fx 3 minus 2x. Now do the square. whole square, and open this bracket again, a minus b the whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Apply that formula and write down the answer. So these two are equal. So 3 minus 2x square is equal to 9 minus 12x plus 4x square. Then bring everything on one side, that is equal to 0. Simplify it, you will get x minus 1 the whole square is equal to 0. X minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1. Question 9. A plane is flying at a speed of 500 km per hour. Express the distance d travelled by the plane as a function of time t in hours. So here we know this formula, speed is equal to distance upon time. So distance is equal to speed into time. They have given us the speed 500. So substitute here, d is equal to 500 t. D is equal to 500 t. So we have expressed d, the distance, as a function of time t. Okay, this is the formula. Question 10. The data in the adjacent table depicts the length of a woman's forehand and her corresponding height. Based on this data, a student finds a relationship between the height y and the forehand length as y is equal to ax plus b, where a, b are constants. Check if this relation is a function. So here x is the length of the forehand, this is the values of x, and y values are given like this, that is the height in inches. Okay, and the relationship is y is equal to ax plus b. Check if this relation is a function. Every element of x has a unique image in y, so it is a function. Find a and b. So this relationship, they are asking us to find a and b. So for that, there are two unknowns here, so we need two equations. We will get that by substituting these values of x and y. If x is 35, y is 56. Substitute here, you will get the first equation. When x is 45, y is 65. Substitute again, you will get the second equation. So here it is 56 is equal to 35a plus b, 65 is equal to 45a plus b. So here we have to, we can use substitution here. Substitute a and solve it. You will get a as 0.9. Similarly, we have to substitute a as 0.9 and you will simplify it. You will get the value of b as 24.5. So now write down these values of a and b in this equation. The relation is y is equal to 0.9x plus 24.5. Okay, third sum, they have given us the value of x as 40 centimeter, asking us to find the value of y. So write down this equation, substitute x as 40, simplify it, and you will get the value of y as 60.5 inches. Similarly, the last sum, they have given us the value of y as 53.3 inches and they are asking us to find x. Substitute y here, solve it, simplify it, and you will get the value of x as 28.8 upon 0.9, that is equal to 32 centimeters. Here we come to the end of the exercise. You can go through the video once again. So pause the video and practice the sums.